Welcome! In front of me I have Xiaomi Watch 2 Pro and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the screen brightness on this watch. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing any of the buttons or by tapping on the screen. Once you wake up the screen, press the crown button to open the menu. Then scroll through the menu, find the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, find the option called the display and tap on it. And here find the option called brightness and select it. By default, the adaptive brightness will be enabled, and if you want to adjust the brightness and you want it to stay at the level you set it to, you will need to disable the adaptive brightness, and then you can tap on custom and you can adjust the brightness by using the crown or by tapping on the plus and minus buttons. So adjust the brightness to your liking, and once you're done, you can press the crown button to go back to watch face. And that's how you adjust the screen brightness on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.